Video on this NEEWER Softbox. NEEWER. I've had great luck with them in the past. Just got this, so super excited. It's gonna kind of fold up like an umbrella, and then you got different attachments that are going to Velcro in. So this is just gonna be kind of a white, and this is a hex, depending on what you want your lighting to be for that instant. And then again, they'll Velcro to the inside of this. I'll show you that here in a minute. Got that locking mechanism there. So I'm just gonna put this into my light, lock it in. Should be good to go. Good. And then we'll open this up. Then you're going to push these out right here until it kind of locks. So I'm gonna use this. I'm sure there's an easier way, but I'm gonna use this fully extended most of the time, so I'll never really fold it up, but we'll get that done real quick. I'll fast forward through this part so you don't have to see it. It should take, I don't know, maybe a minute. All right, so yeah, this probably took about 2 minutes, and again, this is the first time that I'm setting it up. At the end, it goes a lot smoother, so you'll see that here in a minute. It's starting to go smooth right now, just popping it out. There's a locking mechanism, and then I'm gonna mess with the light, and then back to normal speed. All right, so these are all in. It took just a couple minutes, and as you can, or not even a couple minutes, a minute. And as you can see, it is distorting the light. I'm gonna put the hex one in real quick, and that's super easy as well. Again, that's just Velcro. So there's gonna be Velcro along the outside here, and I'm just going to put this up. Try to make it so I get this kind of stretched out perfectly as much as possible. Again, it came with this and the white one as well. Just kind of working it around. And we are all set. I'll turn that back on. Change the color here, just so you can kind of see. This will obviously depend on the light you get. I have a newer light as well, but yeah, this thing's awesome. Super excited about this for filming and photography and anything like that. So 10 out of 10, would recommend.